Hello friends, it's Sketchy, and today I'm gonna draw something super weird, and I'm gonna have you follow along with me. I've been watching Netflix a little bit because I've been sitting around the house quite a bit, and there's this TV show about a guy that likes tigers and stuff. What's his name? Like Joe Wild or Joe Exotic or something like that? And I'm gonna take you step by step through the process so you can impress all your friends that you know how to draw this Joe Tiger guy. First thing we're gonna do is draw a circle. And then on each side of that circle, I'll draw a straight line down. Like this. This is the top of his head. And about right here, just above this line here, this is gonna be its eye line. All right? And above this eye line, I want you to draw a smile, like this. Okay. Let's draw another line right in the center, just very light. This is the center line. So that this side and this side is the same. There we go, something like that. So we basically got the smile shape on top of his eye line. This is really gonna be his eyebrows, because he's got really creepy eyebrows. I'm going to draw a line here and a line here, just on the opposite side. Above these eyebrow lines, I'm gonna draw this weird, this is the bottom of his bangs, his hair, okay? Where this eye line is, I'm gonna draw a dot here and a dot here. And then this space is about the same size as an eye. And then I'm gonna draw about the same distance. So these are his eyes. You can see how far apart they are. So make sure your tick marks are very close to mine. Now draw an arc, a very shallow arc. These are his upper eyelids. And let's draw another one just above it like this. Those are his eyelids. And then instead of drawing a whole lower lid, let's just draw something that's an arch. Just beneath. See that? Just beneath. Now we're gonna draw a U shape. Where the bottom of the U touches that eyelid. Okay? Sweet. Now let's finish his eyebrows. From right here, on each side of this center line, we're gonna draw an angled line like this. Okay? This goes up, this goes up here. Now we're just gonna draw a line that's just a smooth arc. Like that. See that? How it's narrower here and wider here? And it touches that line. Same thing with this one over here. Those are his freaky eyebrows. Now down here, let's say about like right here. So there's like this triangle shape. See that? There's a little triangle shape here. Right here, we're gonna draw a diamond. Like this. So draw a diamond. Like that. Okay? And below, on each side of this diamond, draw a little vertical line. And then connect it to the bottom center diamond. Now this has a flat point on that diamond. From this little flat point, draw a line straight up, and then over and down. These are his nostrils. Okay, nostrils. Now it doesn't look really like pointy on the top. So let's draw from about right here, straight up to his eyebrows, a line like that, and do the same thing on this side. This is a cartoon of this Joe character, okay? And let's draw his mouth. So about right here, let's draw a straight line that ends right below his pupils, okay? And then let's draw a lower. So this is his mouth. Right here. And then let's draw a lower lip that's kind of like, it's not too thick. Now we're gonna draw his weird looking mustache, okay? The way we're gonna do that is draw a little upside down U shape right here above his lip, okay? And then really close to his nose, we're gonna follow the outline of his nose. But instead of going all the way up to here, about where his nostrils are, we're gonna do an angle like that. And the same thing on this side. So it goes like this, up to his mustache. And this line is gonna come outside like that. This line needs to come down just a little bit, this mustache. Now we have the corners of his mouth right here. The mustache goes around the corners of his mouth. And then they kind of taper like this. Taper like this toward his chin. Now let's draw his chin to rounded. Okay. And let's go up to his mustache here and go straight down. Straight down mustache. And then let's tuck that mustache in. It's in a little round U shape. Like that. Like it's going underneath his chin. This guy is super creepy. Super, super creepy. Now from this chin, we're gonna create a little shape that goes like this. That's his jaw. And then it's connected to the sides of his head. Okay. Soften that corner just a little bit. Awesome. We got this freaky looking mustache dude. He has ears. Just like these ellipses. They go to from his eyebrow to about where his nose would be. So eyebrow to about where his nose would be. And then below his jaw, right here, around his mustache, let's do an arc. And the same thing on this other side. And then we'll draw another arc like this. And from here, we're gonna draw it like a collar. Now, this Joe character has some long hair. So let's, from his ear, let's draw an S curve like this. Okay? And then I'm gonna draw another S curve just outside of it. And then I'm gonna come back in and meet that line. Right here, where this curve is, I'm gonna go up and just above his jaw. Make a little smiley face. And then from here, I'm gonna go up and tuck it in there. Up in and tuck it in there. Between this line and this line, draw a line like that. So same thing on this other side. Start where his ear is and start away from his ear and then come back in and lift it up. Now we're gonna take this and we're about right here. About right here. Follow it up and over. Okay? And this line is just like curved from here to here, from here to here. Awesome. And now this line. And then we draw the center line here. I think this one's side's cooler than this one, but it's okay. Now let's draw the inside of his ears. Basically follow the arch, come down, and then do a little bump. Excellent, excellent. Now let's work on his hair. These are his bangs. And then make sure that the bangs arch just a little bit. And then just outside of the hair, the headline, draw a little triangle to his ears, like this. It's like he's got a helmet. And we draw up and over, just make sure that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's draw a weird star shape at the top of his head, because he's got dark roots. Let's draw a weird star shape. And now where his bangs are, let's do a little weird little curves like this. like they're cracks in an egg. Okay. Now just draw some hair close together on the outside that follow the same arc. And now he's got his shoulders. So let's go about where his hair is. Just draw a line like this. Okay, let's finish his collar. And now we have Creepy Joe, the tiger guy. Now, you know what I'm gonna do this time? I'm actually using my black pencil and lock it in. So try to keep up if you can. If not, just push pause and catch up to me a little bit later. So just start drawing in these dark shapes. I'm gonna darken in his eyebrows. Leave a little highlight. He's got dark roots at the top of his hair too. And the sides of his hair are gonna be dark. Those triangles are gonna be dark. I'm gonna draw the nose a little bit lighter with lighter lines in his mustache. Now sometimes there's stuff on TV that I'm like, I am never gonna watch that. And this is one of those things I'm like, I don't have to watch it just because everybody else is watching it. I'm doing my own thing. Besides, I need to practice my drawing skills instead of watching TV. In fact, when I was 11 years old or 12 years old, my mom said, let's get rid of that TV. And so she got rid of the TV, and I did not have a TV as a little kid for a little while. So it helped me to practice my drawing skills, that's for darn sure. And I thank my mom all the time for getting rid of that TV for just a little while. So that is Mr. Joe, Creepy Joe that likes tigers. I hope you had fun drawing it with me. And be sure to subscribe. Oh, wait a second. He needs baggy eyes. So let's draw some. There we go. That makes him perfect. Be sure to subscribe so you can get all my videos. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you later.